Hello dear students. Today in daily drug concept we are going to learn about the drug called atropine. This belongs to the category of antimuscarinic agent. Okay, what it is we'll see. Okay, first of all see the indications of atropine, where it is used. It is used specially in the treatment of the bradycardia. Okay, where the heart rates has been gone to the 40-50. Okay, so the most primary indication for using the atropine is the bradycardia. Okay, where the lower heart rates happens. Okay, second indication is we can use this to dilate the pupil of the eye. Before doing any surgery, atropine has to be given to the patients to dilate their pupil. Okay, reduce the salivation and the bronchial secretion before the surgery. It can be also given other than the eye surgeries. It also can be given in the normal surgeries to reduce the secretions of the saliva or other body secretions. Atropine is one of the emergency medicine which is used in many of the cases. Okay, it is also used as the antidote for the overdose of the cholinergic drug or the mushroom poisoning. Okay, if any type of poisoning has been happened to any of the person, then this atropine is given to maintain their heart rate. Okay, because in poisoning what happens, the heart rate falls down. Just to maintain their heart rate to the normal level, atropine is given in the poisoning situation as well. So you must have seen there are very different indications available for the atropine. First of all, it is for the bradycardia, means at a lower heart rate. It is used for the dilation of the pupil before the surgery to stop the secretions, and it can be used as the antidote as well. Okay, now as it's the emergency dose, it is most widely it is given as the injectables. Okay, and also it is available in the form of drops, ointment and capsule. Drops are given when there is the eye installations. Okay, and ointment and the capsule, and this can be with the combination with other drugs as well. Okay, dose may vary from 0.05 mg to 2.5 mg. Okay, it is contraindicated in the cases of the glaucoma. Glaucoma means when there is the high pressure on the eyeballs, it is contraindicated at that time. Okay, it is also contraindicated at the pyloric stenosis. Pyloric stenosis mostly happens with the kid till 6 months. Pyloric stenosis means the stomach and small intestine where they join, the joining becomes very thickened. Okay, so at that time it is contraindicated. Thyrotoxicosis. Thyrotoxicosis means when there is a high level of the thyroid hormone in your body, at that time it is contraindicated. It is also contraindicated in the cases of fever, urinary tract obstructions. Okay, what are the side effects associated with the atropine? Are the dry mouth, faster heart rate, nausea, blurred vision, hypersensitivity reactions. In these all cases, side effect can be seen mostly, like not in all cases, but it is mostly seen. The dry mouth is very common side effect, and these may be experienced by 1 in 1000 cases. Okay, the brand name with the atropine are available are the Atro, Atronex, Atrapar, ATP, Opthopine, Atrosan, Tropine, etc. Okay, see, this belong to the Schedule H drug, so it has to be given by the doctor prescription only, and it is given in the cases of emergency only. So but still in emergency cases also we need to consult a doctor. We need to have prescription for this medicine. Okay, now we'll see how this atropine acts. Okay, atropine binds and inhibit the muscarinic acetylcholine receptor. I told you it in earlier only, in my first sentence was the atropine is the antimuscarinic agent. Okay, so what do you mean by that? Atropine binds and inhibit the muscarinic acetylcholine receptor and produces a wide range of anticholinergic effect. It produces wide range of anticholinergic effect such as the heart rate. It increases the heart rate, means in bradycardia the patient will be normal very soon, and conduction velocity, smooth muscle relaxation and decrease in the exocrine gland secretions. So I hope you have understood about the atropine. There are multiple indications that it has been used, and it is mostly known as the antimuscarinic agent. Okay, so it acts by, its mode of action is by increasing the cholinergic, anticholinergic effects. It increases the anticholinergic effect. So that's why it is mostly used in the bradycardia where heart rate goes below the normal level. Okay, so this is all about the atropine. Thank you so much.